Welcome back. In today's video, I will tell you how to hide the setup link from specific user. As you can see on screen, I have already logged in using system admin profile on my Salesforce org. And here you can see both the users. One user is having system admin profile and the second user is having standard user profile. And I want to disable the setup link for standard user profile, and I have logged in to standard user profile in my Firefox browser. As you can see, this is Firefox window, and here I have logged in using standard user profile. So let me tell you the steps to disable this setup icon from the standard user profile. For that, we will go to the Salesforce help article, and we will follow the steps mentioned, which are as follows. We have to click the gear icon and we have to do these settings using the system admin profile. For that, I will open the setup. After that, user, as you can see, that user, click on users. Under user, click on profiles. Click on profile you want to edit. So let's just directly go to the profiles and search for that standard user profile. So S, and for standard user, I will click on edit. And then they are saying uncheck the view setup and configuration under the system permission section. You have to uncheck this option. So view setup and configuration, search for it. As you can see, uh, view setup and configuration, and there is no option to uncheck it. This is because we can only do the changes into the custom profile. As you can see, if you go to the top, it says in order to hide setup on your user, remove the permission called view setup and configuration from affected custom profiles. So here we are using the standard profiles. That's why it is not giving us option to do this edit. So first of all, we have to clone this profile and then we can do the edit. So I will click on cancel and will clone this profile. So standard user, I will clone it. I will name it as standard user and click on save. And I will assign this profile to my second user, which is already using standard user. So I will go to user and then I will click on edit for this user, and I will use the standard user clone and click on save. Now you can see we have already assigned this new profile. So let's go to profile and then do the edit. And if we go to that logged in window and refresh it, it's still showing us the gear icon for setup, as you can see on screen. So let me do the changes. So I will go to S and standard user clone. I will edit it and then click on that or uncheck that option, which is view setup and configuration. So here you can see it is enabled and we are getting option to edit it. So I will edit it and click on save. And after saving it, I will go to my window where I have logged in using standard user clone profile, and I will refresh the page and see if this gear icon is visible or not. And as you can see on the screen, it is not visible. So these are the steps to hide the setup link from specific user. That's it in this video. We will see some more videos. Thank you very much.